These women wanted to take a new approach to a common way of treating cerebral palsy, and they had to build that approach from the ground up.
We're creating a cerebral palsy hand rehabilitation device. We have 4 motors that are going to be on our device. Each one of them is targeting the 4 muscles that we're looking at.
These 4 UConn students said they got into biomedical engineering to help people.
We want to improve their quality of life, alleviate their pain.
So, for their senior design project, Katie Bradley, Morgan De Silva, Brianna Perry, and Brittany Morgan set their sights on cerebral palsy.
So someone with cerebral palsy that has spastic cerebral palsy, maybe their fists will be clenched like this and they won't be able to unclench it.
They are just getting very rigid, they're getting stuck. Both the muscles and the bones are starting to deteriorate.
But if we can distract the signal from their brain and that's doing that, they can kind of get some relief from that.
Vibrational therapy can be that distraction.
Being able to regenerate the muscle through vibrations will help loosen up the muscles and also give the patient more control of their muscles.
And while current therapies target the whole body, this team tried a more focused approach.
Whole body has been done, but localized vibrational stimuli has not been done.
We're specifically targeting 4 muscles for a purpose, and no one's ever done that.
The team also developed a therapy regimen.
So we'll have a gripping motion, we'll have a wrist flexion, which is basically just pushing flat down on a table, and we'll be using different diameters to see if gripping something smaller is easier, if gripping something larger is.
They also partnered with the company Delsys to use its muscle activity sensors to gauge the results.
Those are really effective. We also have mini ones too, because all the muscles in the hands are really small.
This story isn't just about what these women are doing. It's also about who they are.
We're actually one of 3 senior design teams that are all girls.
Engineering, it's a boys' club.
Right now, there are only actually 11% of practicing engineers are women, and we represent 50% of the population. And so there's clearly something standing in our way now.
The STEM field is growing for the female population, and I think we deserve to be there and have it grow even further.
So, does the therapy device work? Well, the team said the early findings are positive, but we'll ultimately find out tomorrow when the team presents its full findings at UConn's Senior Design Demonstration Day at Gamble Pavilion. However, the results won't be how they define success here.
I think we've had success already, to be honest, in the fact that we created this novel idea and we were able to make it, and we're just hopeful that it will improve.
I think it's really cool. We get to say that we've done something that no one's ever done before.
I'm Tim Lammers, Fox 61 News.